Have you ever wondered how professional traders consistently make profitable trades in the financial markets, while you're stuck struggling to make ends meet? Well, today we're going to change that. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of MetaTrader 5, a powerful trading platform that's used by thousands of professional traders worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete beginner's guide to MetaTrader 5 and be well on your way to becoming a profitable trader. So what is MetaTrader 5? Simply put, it's a trading platform that allows you to buy and sell financial instruments such as stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. But that's not all. It also comes equipped with a range of powerful tools and features that can help you analyze the markets, identify profitable trades, and execute them with ease. One of the key features of MetaTrader 5 is its ability to backtest trading strategies. This means that you can test a strategy on historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This is a crucial step in developing